everyone. Welcome back to License Ready with Ollie, where we talk about everything a foreign trained dentist needs to know to thrive in Canada, not just surviving. Today's topic is one that makes a lot of us nervous, but let's face it, money talks. And as a foreign trained dentist, especially if you're working in as a dental assistant, receptionist, or any clinical support role while navigating the licensing process, you need to know how to talk money confidently and wisely. When I first came to Canada, I remember how grateful I was to get a job in a dental clinic. Many of us think, let me just accept whatever they offer. At least I have experience in a clinic. But after a few months, you realize my responsibilities have doubled, but my pay hasn't. That's why this episode is here to help you to understand what fair pay is, to learn how and when to negotiate, and to do it professionally so you earn your worth without burning bridges. Many internationally trained dentists working as dental assistants, dental receptionists, or coordinators are highly skilled but often undervalue themselves. But remember, your background, your international experience, it gives you an edge. You understand patient's flow, clinical management, and the procedure better than many new dental assistants do. Remember, you're not an imposter. You can watch the video on the link right in this one, imposter syndrome and how to get rid of it. Negotiation isn't being greedy. It's about matching your value to your contribution. Even if you're not licensed yet, you deserve to be compensated for the skills, experience, and professionalism you bring to the team. Before you ever start a conversation about pay, do your homework. Research average salaries in your province for your current role. For example, a certified dental assistant in British Columbia earns between $28 to $38 depending on experience and office type. A dental receptionist might earn between 25 to $33 an hour, especially if they're doing billing, insurance, and also assisting chairside. Check resources like Indeed, Glassdoor, and even your local Facebook groups for dental professionals. That's where real people share what they earn. Once you know what is fair, you will have confidence in your ask because you cannot negotiate well when you don't know your value. Timing is key, my friend. Don't start salary talk on your first day of the job when you haven't even proven yourself yet. At least you know what the job advert pays. Instead, wait until you've worked at least 3 to 6 months, you've mastered the office flow, and the dentist or the manager has seen your ability and initiative. Then, request a short meeting to review your roles and contribution. That's the moment you shine, and that is how to talk money the right way. Let's make this practical. Imagine you've been in the office for 6 months and you've been doing everything from sterilization to chairside assisting to managing inventory, helping with billing, and you're doing everything with excellence. You could start the conversation with something like this: Dr. Smith, I really appreciate the opportunity to work in this office. I've learned a lot and enjoyed contributing to patients' care. Over the past few months, I've taken on additional responsibilities like list a few examples. I would like us to review my compensation to better reflect my current role and contributions. That's professional, respectful, and confident, not demanding, not threatening. It opens the door for a conversation. And if they say, let me think about it, Give them time and follow up politely after 1 or 2 weeks. Sometimes, after all your efforts, a clinic might say, "We can't increase your pay right now." That's okay, but know your boundaries. You can say, "I understand, but I appreciate if we could revisit this conversation a few months from now," or discuss non monetary benefits like flexible scheduling or extra training. And if nothing changes after several months, start to look for another clinic. Sometimes the pay raise comes when you change your postal code. I'll give you some extra tips that are beyond your hourly rate. Remember, compensation isn't just about the dollars per hour. Ask about paid breaks, continuing education support, free dental treatment or discounts at least, flexible scheduling, and growth opportunities. These benefits can add real value, especially when you're preparing for licensing exams. So, my dear dental warriors, whether you're a dental assistant, a clinic coordinator, chairside dental receptionist, or you're working in a temp role, don't shy away from talking about money. Money doesn't change your passion, it fuels it. And as a foreign trained dentist in Canada, you've earned the right to be valued, not just appreciated. If this video was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs a confidence boost before their next job negotiation. And remember, stay confident, stay consistent, and stay license ready with Ollie.
Je m'appelle Ollie.